Today we're going to talk about percent increase or decrease. And we talked about percents last week as far as we worked with tax tips and discount and how much tip you would leave, how much something extra would cost due to a tax or what the sale price was after a discount. Well, this time we don't know the percent, but we're trying to figure out the percentage of something that increased or decreased, like by what percent did it do that. So I'm going to give you this example. It says, in the summer, I watched 20 hours of TV each week, and now I watch 10 hours of TV each week. So, what is my percent increase or decrease? Well, the two numbers I'm going to work with are the 20 hours and the 10 hours. So, if I start at 20 and then I do 10, well, that's a decrease, right? We're also going to find it in our answer if we set it up correctly. So when I start with 20, that's my original. And then 10 hours would be the new amount of hours. So I need to look at this formula is what we're going to use. And it's new minus original divided by original. I keep getting it mixed up. So I have to do, I think, new original, and then original. No, oh, okay. So my new amount is 10. My original amount is 20. And that goes in two places. And then it's times 100 because that gives me the percent that I need. So I'm going to go to Desmos because it's just easy to be able to use that fraction bar. Remember, the top was 10 minus 20. The bottom is 20 again. Make sure you come outside the fraction and say times 100. So this is my answer. Look, it's negative 50. Okay? That tells me it's a decrease. But I don't use negative in the answer. I'm just going to say it's a 50% decrease. And again, I know that because it's a negative answer. On this one, I'm going to say that my sister weighed 9.8 pounds when she was born. She now weighs 168.3 pounds. What's her percent increase or decrease? Well, I hope, since she grew up and she's an adult now, that should be an increase, and it is because this second amount here is obviously bigger. I'm still going to look at my formula. The new amount is 168.3. The original amount was 9.8. She was a baby. I'm also going to put the original amount on the bottom and then multiply times 100. I'm going to go to Desmos again because it's just so darn easy. I'm going to use my fraction bar, and I'm going to put in the new amount minus the original amount divided by the original amount. Come out of the fraction and say times 100. And I'm going to get 1617.3 as my answer. Okay? And it's a positive answer because it's an increase. So I know it's positive. I know it's increased because it's positive. Now, 1600%, that's a huge increase. But she grew up. On the last one, it says my brother had $4,372 worth of stock. His stock is now worth $2,942. What is his percent increase or decrease? This is what he started with. That's the original. This is what he has. That's the new. Doesn't that look like a decrease? So you solve it.